All right, bananas are in. Now add 1/4 cup melted coconut oil. Plus 1/4 cup maple syrup, plus 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Huh?
And blend it all up into deliciousness. All right, 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Not soda, Mom, it's powder.
And then 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
If I can open it.
And then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we're gonna add it slowly into our mix.
Where's the salt?
And everything's better with just a little bit of cinnamon. How much is a little? How much are you adding? Like a teaspoon. Okay, a teaspoon of cinnamon. Whoa, not too much. And then add to your banana mix.
And don't make a mess.
And then slowly whisk it all together, or if you have the Ninja, put it on slow speed. Whoa, not the lid.
Put it on 10 and then put it on start without cap on. That's what you do.
You will clean up the mess then.
No.
And then we're gonna whisk it all together. And slow, turn it on slow. After you put it all in the pan, if you want to slice a banana in half, or very ripe banana, you can just push it in and it'll look beautiful, or you could slice it into little circles and decorate the top. And then if you combine 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of oats, and 1 teaspoon of a vegan butter that you like, and mush it all together. If you sprinkle that on top, it's going to make just the most delicious topping that you've ever had on a bread. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. And put it on top. And now bake it.
And a Ninja.
After 60 minutes, this is what it looks like. And then we let it cool off. Alright, you guys, there you go. Gluten-free, vegan, banana, delicious oat bread. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with all of our recipes and foraging. And feel free to follow us on TikTok or Instagram to see more behind the scenes and what else we're up to in between videos.